dress with this fabric, and dress I am going to make is with the design V-neck line, mega sleeves and bodice till waistline, and skirt will be with little gathers and long slits on both sides. So let us start the process of cutting. To make this type of dress, you have to cut only this neckline, and I have to cut bodice and skirt only, no more cutting or doing paper pattern. Direct on the fabric I will cut this dress, and you can just keep watching. So this one is the diagram of the dress I am going to stitch. This one is mega sleeves, V neckline and bodice till waistline, and the skirt will have little bit gathers to fit waistline, and it will have long slits on both sides, long slits. So you can wear this dress with salwar or jeans, anything you like. You can just wear this dress. So this one will be the outline of this design. I am going to cut this type of dress. You can note down the measurements, and total length of this dress will be approximately 44 to 45 inches. You can take the length as per your requirement and your own body measurements, and the rest of the measurements is across shoulder. No need to have measurements of across shoulder, and round waist will be 42 inches I have taken, including 2 inches of ease and seam allowance. Round waist will be 38 inches plus 2 inches ease and 2 inches extra for seam allowance here. And length of this bodice is 17 inches. Length of this skirt is 27 to 28 inches I have taken. So I have taken 2 lengths of this skirt fabric, and the fabric has 44 inches width. So I have just cut this. We will cut width of this skirt 27 inches and length 28 inches. So 2 lengths of this skirt I will cut. You can see it's very easy to make this type of dress. Now I am cutting 2 lengths, 27 or 28 inches. Stay tuned. So from 44 inches width I have taken out 27 inches in width for this skirt, and 28 inches length, 2 lengths I have cut, and this one I will use to make bodice. So from 56 inches total fabric, I will make this dress with 44 inches length. So here I have just cut two lengths. This one is the skirt. I have just cut two pieces, front and back, for this skirt, and we'll put gathers to fit our round waist as per the measurements. And here we will just cut bodies. This one is the fabric. So you can just see I have just cut two lengths of skirt. I have cut. I will put little bit gathers at the waist to fit round waist. So one skirt and the other. So two sides of the skirt, front and back, I have cut. And next we will cut our bodice of this skirt. So you can watch how I am going to cut. With mega sleeves we are going to make it. So no need to just cut any shoulders. I have taken measurements of round pearl for 42 inches plus 2 inches east plus 2 inches for seam allowance. So we will take 46 inches round for bust line, including ease and seam allowance. So now I will take total 46 inches round fabric to make bodice, and length will be 17 inches. And from one side it will be 23 inches. So 46 inches we will take. From one side, front and back bodice, we will take 23 inches from each side, and length will be 17 inches. As per your requirement, you have to take length. Now I will cut this extra piece. I am going to cut. This fabric I have bought from India for $20 per meter. Now we will just fold it and from here I am going to cut neckline. First of all, we will cut our back side, then front neckline. Back neckline will be round neckline, small neckline. As you can just see in the diagram, this one is the back round neckline. In front is V. Length of this neck is, depth of this neck is 9 inches and width I will take 1/4 to 3 inches. This depth of the neck is 9 inches and width of the neck will be quarter to 3 inches. So let us start. And here I will just measure width of this neckline quarter to 3 inches, and you can just take as per your measurements. I have taken quarter to 3 inches width of the neck, and back neck will be 2 inches in depth. And across shoulder slope I am just taking only half inches. And for mega sleeve just opening I will take 10 inches including across shoulder slope. So I have taken 10 inches for this mega sleeve opening, and we'll mark from here just like this, or we will put 2 darts on both sides, front and back, for waistline fitting. Now I'm going to cut this across shoulder slope. I'm cutting. Only you have to cut this neckline. And now I will separate front and back. I have separated front and back. And now we will put notches here for our mega sleeve opening. You can see I have put notch here. For mega sleeve opening I have put notch. Now we will separate front and back portion of this bodice. And here I am going to cut back of the neck. And I will just cut 2 inches in depth back neckline with quarter to 3. Only you have to cut neckline, front and back. Now you can see I have cut this neckline, round neckline. Back side I have cut, and we will put 2 darts here at the waistline. Here to fit our skirt we have to put darts at the waistline. So back neckline I have cut, and no need to cut shoulders because it has mega sleeves here. I have just marked at the 10 inches opening for mega sleeves. Now we will cut V-shaped neckline of the front bodice. And this back neckline I will just place here for marking of the width of the neck. And we will take 9 inches depth of the neck. For V neckline, I'm going to take, as per the measurements, 42 inches bust line, 9 inches width of the neck I'm going to take. So I have marked at the 9 inches, and width I have taken quarter to 3. So I am going to cut V neckline. I'm now going to cut it. So I have cut front neckline of the body. V neckline I have cut. You can just see I have just cut V neckline of this body. Now I will just place it here. I will roughly show you how it will look after stitching, to give you a rough idea. Just place it here. We'll put here one waistline dart here on both sides. I will put one waistline dart and then put gathers to fit this waistline. This one is the skirt. So I will put little bit gathers here to fit this waistline. After putting waistline dart, we will attach this skirt here to make our dress with mega sleeves and V neckline, and skirt with slits on both sides. So that will be our dress. You can just see so when I will stitch, I will show you the outcome of this dress. So you can just have a rough idea how it will look like after stitching. That's all how you can cut your this dress, this type of dress. I'm going to sew. After cutting, we will sew this dress, and these are long slits. So once again, you can just note down the measurements. And thanks for watching. Bye bye. Once again, you can just have a close look to note down the measurements. And thank you for watching.